Hello everybody, today is Friday, August 26th. It's 3:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 15 minutes before the regular session close, and it was a spectacular day for the auto trader today. Just everything I'm following is in the green. We'll get to that in a minute. The time and date is here, and I'm going to bring over the time and sales. The last trade on the E-mini S&P at 347 is about 2167.75. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, as stated, a really great day for the auto trader today. Everything was just firing. First up is the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick, and there was two trades here, both winners, and it hit its goal of 2,500 with positive slippage at the end. Just want to point out there's no H next to the trades. If we go back on the chart, we'll see that any trades that are historical are marked with an H. Up next is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Super Renko 6 tick, and this had pretty spectacular performance. I believe hitting its goal and maybe a tick or two of slippage at the very end here, but we had a small loser here followed by a small winner, and then a really solid winner with excellent trade placement, allowing it to hit its goal. I didn't make a video yesterday, but yesterday's trade in the bonds looks something like this, and it also hit its goal yesterday. So pretty solid performance in the bonds. Okay, a couple of days ago, I said I would be trying to come up with some settings on the Japanese yen, and today did not disappoint. I think the daily goal on this is 2,000, and obviously it hit its goal. And just kind of, this is using the line break algorithm, as we see here on a Super Renko 6 tick chart, and this had spectacular performance today, hitting its goal. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 34-second line break chart, and this hit its goal of 2,000 on several trades, and there was probably some slippage at the very end, doing 1925. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 1-minute line break, and we have a closed P&L of 1,050 and an open P&L of 775 on two contracts. That's quite a large open position. This equity curve starts at 0 because we're not looking at any historical trades. So this is our equity here. And then here is the open position, which is long 2 at 2160, and the market trading at 2168. And there's just 8 minutes before the close. Let's see if we have a strong close in the ES. It certainly looks that way. I'm guessing that it's going to go above the highs here, 69.75, by the time we get to the close. Next up is the 30-year Treasury on a line break chart, and this hit its goal of 1,500, I believe. And there was a little bit of a drawdown at the open, about $500 on two contracts, and then overcame that and hit its goal with a couple of solid winners here. Next up is the Precision Renko on the crude oil on the Precision Renko. This did 1130 for the day on two contracts. We have the NASDAQ on a 34-second line break chart, and this did 970 for the day. pretty active day for trading, a lot of volatility. Forgot to show this. The bonds did 1900 for the day, hitting its goal of 2000 probably, or either that or just shy of its goal. The bonds did pretty spectacular yesterday. Even though this is historical, this is close to what it did yesterday. It also hit its goal of 2000 yesterday as well. So bonds is a great market to trade with the auto trader. We have a spectacular trade on the Dow early in the morning. There was obviously some announcement today, and this is trading 3 contracts, but I think we only have $1,000 goal on this, and that was hit early on in the day. Next up is the crude oil and the precision Renko. This is the one that is more of a swing trader, and I had to set this to show real-time trading only, which starts the equity curve at 0 every day. So we had quite a drawdown here of about 800, and then it rallied back to a closed P&L of 380, and then it's currently short with an open P&L of 640. And so after closing the position, it did $1,000 for the day. Pretty good. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website or feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.